Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing the unboxing of Borosil 400 ml microwavable glass lunchbox. So let's just have a look at it. So this is the warranty come instruction paper. And then we have a bag. The bag looks sturdy. And then it has a brand printed on it. Let's just open the box. Alright, this is a set of 3 boxes. So the quality of glass is really good and the boxes are airtight as well. So it's 100% microwavable and it does not leak chemicals into your food. It's leak proof and airtight. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.